I just want to show you one thing. If you look at this, this is not the center. This is not on top like most of them, is what I should say.
Oh yeah, I've never seen this.
So basically you turn both hands.
Oh wow.
Okay. You turn both hands, which makes it a little bit easier. Go ahead, I'll let you do it. Right here, okay?
That's different.
It's fine to me. You gotta turn
that's a big dig.
both hands.
Do you put a lot of pressure on down or just let it go?
No pressure.
Wow.
You're younger than me. Like I'm 70 years old and
I'm
I
65.
still think I can beat a goddamn guy with a 10 inch.
Holy
Wow.
crap. That's 24 inches of ice.
I'm impressed. Yeah, you want to be careful bringing it up. You want to kind of unscrew it and don't ever push down. Just lift up with it. That's it. I'm impressed.
Holy smokes.
Now you could go a lot faster and do one. You were just getting the hang of it.
Wow. Ready? So this is 24 inches of ice. 6 inch. What is this? What is this auger?
This
Nils.
is 6 inch.
Just straight Nils auger.
Nils
Yeah.
USA.
Wow. Ready?
Yep. That was shopping from the guy from Massachusetts.
25 cranks.
That's like, oh, I never even bothered counting them.
Is it like
crap?
Is it an inch a crank?
Just about.
Wow.
My dog's impressed.
It works, doesn't it?
I'm impressed.
It's pretty lightweight. Doesn't weigh
That's what I like with the 6
Show to the
inch.
camera.
Look at that.
Joe, you got a flag.
Sweet.
I'm zoomed in.
Look at that, huh?
You want to watch where you lay it down if there's pets around and stuff,
Sure.
if they can cut themselves.
That's pretty cool, and it folds right up.
Yeah, it folds up a little bit. I mean,
They
it works.